Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro. Of course, this lovely little first generation Camaro has a lot of power, which we'll get into in a minute.
Right by the school.
Yeah, right by a school. You don't hear me saying that. But anyway, we're going to start with the lovely red exterior featuring the SS Camaro hood. It does have the RS edition, does away for the hideaway headlights. Going on to the wheels, giving it that really crazy look with the US mags. Has the SS spoiler in the back along with the D90 stripe going down the sides. Definitely a nice addition to this lovely Camaro. Moving on to the inside, as you can see, it is a 4-speed manual. RS gauges in front. You also have the tachyon clock inside the cluster, featuring a 2-knob radio and even that old school steering wheel that looks like you're playing a video game. Well, let's go underneath the hood. The big block 427 TX code. Definitely mean with headers, aluminum valve covers, and a lot of power. Too much power, which is why we're going to have to turn around and not get arrested. But as for now, we're just going to get on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.